I'll take up the TimberX today into the south wind. We're going to try to keep it away to give my camera crew a break so she can focus on it. I'll go up, obviously. Then we're going to flip it. Then we're going to drop the flaps. We're going to try to fly around a nice slow circle for just a little bit, so my camera crew can find the plane. Let me know when you got the plane, camera crew.
Okay, that's good.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll try my best to keep it about that distance other than when I land. Okay, we're going to take her up now. We're going to flip her. And we're going to do some nice slow. Yeah, nothing slow about this plane. All right, we're going to do the flaps down a little bit.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
We're going to try to walk her around the park nice and slow. Flaps are all the way down. We're going to turn into the wind now. And we're just going to walk. Look at that, look at that. Just walking the plane around. All right, we're going to drop them flaps. Come back towards us kind of quick. We're going to do a high-speed pass here. We're going to peel away. We're going to peel back. That direction there. We're going to go up. All right. Get a little twirl there. A little snap roll. Then we're going to put the flaps down. We're going to bring her in nice and slow, close to it, towards us here. We're going to try to set this bad boy down. Bring her into a little bit of the wind here. I'm going to just bring her nice. There you go. Now, towards the wind, we're going to put just takeoff flaps. Give her a little, and up in the air we go. We're going to go up. Turn it over. Do a very, okay, now a little bit better one. We're going to go upside down, outside loop, and back towards us, straight at us this time. Then we're going to go up. We're going to go back out again. We're going to flip it. All right, we're going to put our flaps down, get slow, let the camera crew find us. Turn them back to the left, slowly.
Okay, finally back in focus.
All right, we're gonna come back towards us, nice and slow. Dropping the flaps. We're putting the flaps up. Sorry. All right, we're gonna put our flaps down. We're gonna kill a little bit of throttle. We're going to come back towards our left, and then we're going to turn the plane towards us and try to set this bad boy down. Nice and slow, or better yet, we'll just kind of hover. There you go, just like that. Now that's just an example of what a STOL plane can do. If you notice, my control surfaces got full deflection on the rudder, full deflection on the elevator, full spans ailerons on the wings. I do have the leading edge slats on there. And we're not going to use any kind of flap. We're just going to take off. And we're going to go straight up, flip it over, and come back down this way. We're going to come back around this way, do a snap roll there, or a twist, or whatever that is. And we're going to do just like we did with our landing. We're going to put our flaps down, turn off towards the west, and try to bring her in at a nice crawl. In fact, you know what? We might just do a real slow pass right here. Just a real nice slow pass. Let everybody see that plane. And just see what you can do with this plane into the wind. Just about make her walk. Just about hold still. Flaps back up into the coals. Flip it, flip it. The pilot has just lost his lunch. The passengers are now dead. because they didn't put their seatbelt signs on. We're going to slow down here. And we're going to try to bring ourselves in a nice little landing there. We're going to take off one more time and we're going to call the day then. All right, we're going to try to do what I like to call a coordinated turn. This is where you turn. All right, maybe I can do it with this. Nope. There. I have a hard time doing a coordinated turn with this plane. There, that's a little bit better one. It's a flat turn. I'm gonna try doing that again. So this plane has such a short wing and it's kind of windy right now, but that was pretty much a flat turn there. Whoa, that wasn't good. All right, flaps are down. Timer just went off, so we're going to do our landing approach. Flaps are all the way down. We're going to take it off here to the west, then come back in, cutting our speed, leveling out our wings, and we're going to bring this puppy on in here. And there you go, folks. That is the e-flite Timber X. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't